So hello students, now we will discuss about the factorization of algebraic expression. But before understanding the concept of factorization, we must have knowledge about the HCF of algebraic expression. Because unless we have knowledge about the algebraic expression, it will be incomplete to all. So let's see that what is the HCF of algebraic expression. So if here is few algebraic expression, first is 3x cube, second is 12x square, and third is 36x square y, and it is y cube, this is y to the power 4, and this is y to the power 7, and you are supposed to find out the HCF of these three algebraic expression in which the single terms has been mentioned. So if you will see that one, so it is what? 3 multiple x to the power 3 multiple y cube. Same way, if you will focus on this 12, so this will be written as 2 multiple 3. That is 2 raised to the power 2 multiple 3 multiple x square multiple y to the power 4. Same here, if you will focus on that 36, so it is 2 to the power 2 multiple 3 to the power 3. But maybe you are not able to understand that what is it. So what you can do, you will find out the prime factor of this 36. So that will be 2, 18, then 2, 9, then this 3, then 3, and then 3, this 1. So what you can say, this 36 can be expressed as the product of 2 of square and 3 of square. So this is what? 2 of square cross 3 of square. And now this is what? X square multiple y to the power 7. This is what? Y to the power 7. Now you are supposed to find out the HCF of these all number. So HCF. I know that if I will ask to you that what is the HCF, so you will say that this is highest common factor. But this is not the exact definition of the HCF. So what is the exact definition of HCF, sir? So HCF is nothing but the highest number that can divide all the numbers whose it is HCF. HCF वो बड़े से बड़ा नंबर होता है जो उन सारे नंबरों को डिवाइड कर सकता है जिनका वो HCF होता है. जैसे मैं बात करूं, एक नंबर है 4, एक नंबर है 12 और एक नंबर है 6, और मैं आपसे पूछूं कि व्हाट इज द HCF ऑफ दीज ऑल नंबर, तो आपने कहा कि सर 4 है, 12 है, 6 है, तो इसका मतलब वो सोचो वो लार्जेस्ट नंबर दैट कैन डिवाइड दिस 4, 12 एंड 6. तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है 4 अगर बोलोगे तो 4 12 को डिवाइड कर रहा है लेकिन 6 को नहीं कर रहा है, तो थोड़ा उसे कम आना पड़ेगा. सो दैट विल बी 2. एक चीज और कि HCF विल बी इज इक्वल टू द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर और स्मॉलर देन दैट. तो ऑब्वियस बात है स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ये था, इससे छोटा होगा तो हमने देखा 2. यस, सो 2 कैन डिवाइड दिस वन एज वेल एज दिस वन एज वेल एज दिस वन आल्सो. सो HCF ऑफ 4, 12 एंड 6 इज 2. लेकिन अगर मैं यहीं पे बोल दूं इसको 24 है, अब मैं कहूं व्हाट इज द HCF, तो ऐसी कंडीशन में द हाईएस्ट नंबर दैट कैन डिवाइड 24, 12 एंड 6 इज व्हाट? 6. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, क्योंकि मैंने बोला कि ईदर HCF इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर और स्मॉलर टू दैट, यानी फैक्टर ऑफ दैट स्मॉलर नंबर. तो आपने क्या करना है कि 6 सबसे छोटा नंबर 6 कैन डिवाइड दिस वन एज वेल एज दिस वन आल्सो. सो 6 इज द HCF ऑफ दीस थ्री नंबर्स. इसी तरह से अगर मेरा मूड खराब हो मैं इसको 36 कर दूं, अब इनका HCF लेना है तो स्मॉलर नंबर क्या हुआ? 12. So 12 can divide 36 as well as 24 also, and 12 itself can also divide. So HCF of these three numbers is 12. Okay, very good. So this has been understood by us. Same here, that will be done for the algebraic expression. So if you will see here, so what we have to do for this, each term will be factorized and written in this form. After this, you will select the HCF of number and HCF of variable separately. So if you will see, so the easiest way to write down the minimum power of the each thing. Each thing means that is constant as well as the variable. So if you will see here, here is 3 to the power 1, here is 3 to the power 1, and here is 3 to the power 2. So the lowest power is 1. So that will be 3 here. If you will focus for 2, so 2 is not present here. So minimum power is 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 0 is smallest in these three. So 2 won't be taken. If you will focus on x, it is x to the power 3, it is x to the power 2, and it is x square. So what you can see here that the square is the, yani power 2 is the smallest power. So x square will be taken here. After that, it is y cube, it is y to the power 4, and it is y to the power 7. So what is common in these three? What is the HCF of these three? So of course the smallest one, that is y cube. So HCF of these three number will be 3x square y cube. Don't forget, this HCF is also work as the common which will be taken when you are going to factorize a expression. Let's see how. If here is a question that is 3x square y cube minus 12x square y square to the power 4 and plus 36x square y to the power 7. So now you have to focus that what is common in these three. Same way, that will be the HCF of this. So directly we can take this 3x square y cube, but it is not justified for this. So what we have to do, very first we will focus on number, then on first variable, then on second variable, and we have to see one more thing, what is the sign for the first term. So here is a plus sign, that's why plus will be taken here. Here is no need to mention plus sign, but it would be accepted. But if here is a minus sign, then we have to write down the minus one only. Okay, so for 3, 12 and 36, the HCF is 3 only, because 3 is the number that can divide this 3, this 12 and this 36. So this is what 3 has been taken. After that, it is x square, and it is x square. So what we can do, x square will be totally common. So x square is here. After that, this is y cube, y to the power 4 and y to the power 7. So y cube will be taken as common. So these three things has been taken as common. Now what they will do, actually this is the HCF, that's why it will divide this term as well as this term as well as this term also. So you will put the bracket. As soon as you will take common, you have to put the bracket here. After that, this one is going to divide this one. So when this 3x square y cube is going to divide this 3x square y cube, 3 would be cancelled out by this 3, x square will be cancelled out by this x square, or you may say in the case of division the power will be subtracted, so that will be x to the power 2 minus 2, that is x to the power 0. So it means 1, and y to the power 3 minus upon 3 y to the power 3, so that will be y to the power 3 minus 3, that is also y to the power 0, and y to the power 0 will be also considered as 1. So what we can say, when this first term is going to be divided by this common, you are going to take 1 as result. After that, as soon as this is going to divide this one, this is minus and this is plus, so minus divided by plus is going to give the result as negative 1. After that, this 12x square y to the power 4 is going to divide this 3x square y cube. So when 12 is going to divide this 3, you are going to get 4 as result. Directly you can do this. Same way, when x square is going to divide this x square, it will be totally cancelled out. The result gives 1. After that, when y to the power 4 is going to divide this, this y to the power 4 is going to be divided by this y cube. So this is power 4 and this is power 3. In the case of division, the power will be subtracted. So that will be y to the power 4 minus 3. It means this is what? Y. After that, when this 3x square y cube is going to divide this 36x square y square, so 3 will divide plus will be here. What we have to focus, very first we will focus on sign. After that, number, it means constant, and after that we have to focus on variable. This sequence must be followed. Very first sign plus then number, very first sign then number, after that variable. That should be focused by us. After that, when this 3 plus 3x square y cube is going to divide this 36x square y to the power 7, so plus will be here, and suppose that if it is minus, so it will be also minus. When this 36 is going to divide by this 3, so you are going to get 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 12. X square will be divided by x, and it is simplified, simply cancelled, and after that y to the power 7 is going to divide this y to the power 3, so you are going to get y to the power 4 as common. Why? Because in the case of division the power is subtracted. So when y to the power 7 is going to be divided by this y cube, that will be 7 minus 3, that is 4. So y to the power 4 will be this here. Now you can see that this is this multiple this. So now this is in factorization form. As you can see here, this is in factorization form. So this is the factorization of this question. So this question has been totally solved by me. Same way we will solve a little bit more question. Now you can see here that it is 27a cube b cube and minus 45a to the power 4 b square. As the previous question has been solved, in the same way it will be done. As I had told you, very first sign, then number, and after that variable. The same step will be followed for this question. So what is common in the number? That is 27 and this is 45. As I had told, either it will be the smallest number or the factor of these smallest numbers. 27 and 45. 27 is the smaller, and what is the factor of this? 3 or 9. So 3 can divide this one. We have to select the highest number. It means HCF. तो उससे बड़ा हमने सोचा कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है. तो we can see that 9. So 9 can divide this one as well as this one also. So 9 will be taken as common. After 9, we have to see the minimum power. So this is a to the power 3 and this is a to the power 4. So what is minimum power? That is a to the power 3. And after that, in b, that is b to the power 3 and this is b square. So what is common? B square. That has been taken here. If you will take this common, so what it will do? Yes, just recall once. Recall. Yes. So this 9a cube b square is going to divide this one. So 9 3 is 27 will be. It means 3 will be here. Then a cube will be divided by a cube. Totally cancel out. And when this b cube is divided by b square, so 3 minus 2, 1 will be here. So this is what? 3b. Same way, this is plus and this is minus. So minus plus, minus will be here. Sign has been taken. After that we have to focus on number. So this is what? 45 and this is 9. So 9 5s are 45. So 5 will be taken here. After that this is a to the power 4 and this is a cube. A to the power 4 upon a cube, that is only a. Why? Because 4 minus 3 is 1 here. After that this is b square and this is b square, that will be totally cancel out. So this is the answer of this question. I hope that you have understood. After that, if you will see on this question, so here is a little bit huge things for you. One is in bracket, that is same. Number has been written here as well as a separate variable is outside of the bracket. So this is one term and this is second term. Now we have to take common on this. So number is 2 only, that will be taken as common. After that in a and a square, a is the minimum power. If it is a cube, then a square will be power common. Getting it? Now this is 4x minus 3y and as well as this is also 4x minus 3y, so it will be also as common. Don't forget that this is not bracket, this total has been taken as common. Now you are going to put the bracket. So as the smaller bracket has earlier come, so we need to put the big bracket or the parenthesis, that is curly bracket. So when this whole is going to divide this first term, 2 will be cancelled out by 2, and when this a cube will divide this a square, you are going to get a. And when this 4x minus 3y will divide this 4x minus will be divided by this 4x minus 3y, you are going to get as 1. So a will remain here. The quotient of the quotient of this divided by this is a only. Now we have to find out the quotient means the result of division. Quotient of minus this one upon this one. So that will be plus minus. Minus will be here. 32 divided by 2, you got 16 only. And when a square is going to be divided by a square, so 1 will be here, and after that this totally has been divided. So you got what? This one. So the answer is 2a square inside the bracket 4x minus 3y, and in another bracket that is a minus 16 is here. After that what we will do, this whole has been given here. आप देखो 2 और 32 में क्या कॉमन है? What is common in 2 and 32? So you may say that sir 2 is common. Very good. In a and a cube what is common? Sir a is common. That is. After that in 4x minus 3y. Yes. So it means we have to pause for a little time and see. 2a or 32a cube. In 2a and 32a cube we are able to take common. But when we have to see on this bracket 1, जैसे जैसे यहाँ पे था, मैं सेम क्वेश्चन लगभग रखा है, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है। तो आप देखो ये 4x माइनस 3y था, ये भी 4x माइनस 3y था, ये 4x माइनस 3y है, लेकिन ये 3y माइनस 4x है। यानी आप देखो अंतर ज्यादा नहीं है, टर्म वही है, ये भी 4x है, ये भी 4x है, ये भी 3y है, ये भी 3y है। Difference is there. This is a unique category in which you have to focus. So what you can see here, this is plus 4x and this is minus 4x. Same way, this is minus 3y and this is plus 3y. It means sign are interchanged. So if we have to interchange the sign, if we have to make it negative and make it positive, so by minus, if I will multiply that, so we will be able to do so. So what we will do, इसमें से या तो आप माइनस कॉमन ले लीजिए या माइनस 1 का अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए और माइनस 1 से यहाँ पर डिवाइड कर दीजिए। तो इफ यू विल डिवाइड इट तो इट विल बी टर्न्स टू प्लस, और जैसे ही प्लस होगा तो ये माइनस का हो जाएगा और ये प्लस का हो जाएगा। इफ यू हैव टू चेंज द साइन, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, डायरेक्टली बस एक ट्रिक देख लो। अगर केवल आपको इसको इंटरचेंज करना हो, इसको इंटरचेंज करना हो, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू विल चेंज अ साइन व्हिच इज प्रीवियस ऑफ दैट या बिफोर दैट एंड इट विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज। सो दैट विल बी 2a inside the bracket, that is 4x minus 3y, and it is what, plus 32a cube inside the bracket, that will be 4x minus 3y। चीजें कितनी आसान हो गई आप देखिए। उसके बाद आपको कुछ नहीं करना है। in 2 and 32 2 is common, in a and a cube a is common, and this is also 4x minus 3y and this is also 4x minus 3y, so 4x minus 3y will be taken as common. So when this divide this one, so directly totally it will be cancelled out and you will get result 1. After that, when this 2 will divide this one, you are going to get 16. When this a cube is divided by a, you are going to get a square as common, and 4x minus 3y will be divided by 4x minus 3y, so that will be 1, that directly it will be simplified. So the finally what you can write down as the answer, so the answer is 2a inside the bracket 4x minus 3y, and in another bracket that will be 1 plus 16a square. So this is the way to do the question. I am explaining the question step by step. This is the easiest part. Before that was the too easy part. After that, little bit combination has been done for the bracket. Little bit separation part was there. Sign was changed. I had taught that how to interchange the sign inside of the bracket, and after that the bracket one is again come. So we have to focus on this. So see, this is 2x minus 3 of whole square. Directly what is coming in our brain, we just open it with the help of a minus b of whole square. But that will won't be justified for this. So what we will do, it will remain as 2x minus 3 of whole square, and we can take minus common these two. So minus will be taken as common. After that, in 8 and 12, 4 is common. As soon as you will take this 4 common, this minus 4 will divide this one, so minus minus plus will be here, 4 to the 8. X will remain here. Now this minus sign will make this positive one as a negative one by dividing, and when this 12 is divided by 4, you are going to get 3. Now observe, this will be like question number 2. So now what is common in these two? 2x minus 3 is common in these two. So that will be 2x minus 3 as common. Directly the big bracket will be applied. Now when this 2x minus 3 will divide this one, so in the case of division the power will be subtracted. Of course this is 2x minus 3 to the power 2 and this is 2x minus 3 to the power 1. So in case of division 2 minus 1, it means 1 will be here. So what is left inside the bracket? 2x minus 3 is left. Then this one is going to divide this one. So this is plus and this is minus, so minus sign will put here, and after that when this 2x minus 3 will divide this one, so it will be totally cancelled out and minus 4 will left. Then after opening the bracket, it will be written as 2x minus 3 minus 4, or finally you can write it down 2x minus 3 and 2x plus minus 7. This is the answer of this question. I hope that you have understood this concept also. Try to search the question that is written in your textbook related to this concept and solve this as many as question if you will solve, the more question you will solve, you will make you perfect regarding to this concept. And if you won't solve, only you will see the video, it is not going to be beneficial for you. So you must practice at least 2 questions for each category and you are going to get perfection on this factorization. Without practice, No one is going to be perfect because it has been taught now. Practice makes a man perfect. And students, I know that you will follow my instruction to make your future bright as well as to make the concepts clear. Now, a little bit tougher question is come here. Before teaching you this question, I want to tell you this one. तो अब मैं क्या बताना चाह रहा हूं कि little bit air calculation, sorry, it will be taught very fast, क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा और गंदी गंदी चीजें चलने वाली हैं. तो अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन पे फोकस करूं तो मैंने करना क्या है कि पेयर बनाने हैं, थोड़ी सी एयर कैलकुलेशन करनी. अब एयर कैलकुलेशन क्या होती है जरा इसको हम समझते हैं. हम लोग घर पे होते हैं, अचानक एक चाचा जी आते हैं और एक हमारे मौसा जी थोड़े से दूर पे रहते हैं जिनके बारे में हम अच्छे से जानते हैं. अब वो चाचा जी हमसे आते हैं और कहते हैं कि वो तुम्हारे मौसा का घर कहाँ है. तो हम बताते हैं कि मौसा जी यहाँ से राइट जाएंगे आप, वहां पे एक नीम का पेड़ मिलेगा, वहां पे बगल से एक राइट टर्न जाता है और फिर आगे जाएंगे तो एक गाय बंधी है, वॉट एवर द लैंडमार्क्स आर गिवन देयर यू विल say directly. You are not going with him now, but actually the visualization power is telling or explaining in front of your uncle. The same concept will be work here. ये एक विजुअलाइजेशन कॉन्सेप्ट चलना चाहिए कि हम ये कॉमन लेंगे, आफ्टर कॉमन ये हमारे पास बचेगा, अब ये इसके हिसाब से फ्रूटफुल होगा कि नहीं होगा. These all things must be explained by you, must be kept in your brain. Only then you will be able to explain properly. And I know that you are my good bachcha, you will follow the instruction to make you perfect. Let's see how. अब जैसे मैंने बोला कि विजुअलाइजेशन पावर काम करेगी. विजुअलाइजेशन पावर को हमने एक नया नाम दिया हुआ है अपनी लैंग्वेज में, जिसे हम बोलते हैं एयर कैलकुलेशन. एयर कैलकुलेशन का मतलब एटलीस्ट 3 स्टेप मस्ट बी सॉल्व इन आवर ब्रेन. अभी मैं केवल एक स्टेप की बात करूंगा, लेकिन कम से कम अगर आपके पास ये आ गया. टीचर कुछ नहीं होता है. टीचर क्या करता है, जिस चीज को आपने देखा होगा कि जिस चीज को आप समझ नहीं पाते वो 3 स्टेप एक साथ बता देता है. पहले ये करोगे तो फिर ये हो जाएगा, आफ्टर दैट इट वुड बी डन, एंड दिस विल बी डन बाय प्रैक्टिस ओनली. कोई भगवान नहीं होता ऊपर हाथ रखेगा एंड यू विल बी एबल टू मेक यू परफेक्ट. तो अब अगर ध्यान से देखो तो अगर 2 टर्म हम लें तो इसमें से कॉमन क्या मिल रहा है बताओ, सोचो. ये सब कुछ एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन. जैसे ही आप एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन लोगे, एज सून एज यू विल टेक एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन, व्हाट विल बी इनसाइड ऑफ द ब्रैकेट? x माइनस 1. यहां से x मिलेगा, यहां से 1 मिलेगा. फिर भैया हमने देखा कि इसमें से क्या कॉमन लेगा, तो इसमें से x कॉमन मिलेगा और ब्रैकेट में आ जाएगा a प्लस 1. अब देखो कितना गलत हो गया, यहां आ रहा है x माइनस 1 और यहां आ रहा है a प्लस 1. हम इसी की बात कर रहे हैं. अब अगर इफ यू आर एबल टू डू दैट एयर कैलकुलेशन तो यू कैन सेव योर स्टेप्स. आप अपने स्टेप्स को बचा सकते हो, आप अपनी वो नोटबुक को गंदी होने से बचा सकते हो, है ना. और आप कॉपी में अपने शैबी वर्क नहीं करोगे, कोई फिल्दी वर्क नहीं होगा, सारी चीजें क्लियर होंगी. तो उसके लिए आपको पेयरिंग करनी है कि जैसे आपने पहली बार में देखा x माइनस 1 आया, तो ऐसे x माइनस 1 कहां आ सकता है. तो हमने देखा कि अगर मैं इस ax को और इस a को पास पास में रख लूं तो ये ax है और ये माइनस का ये, अगर a कॉमन ले लेंगे तो ब्रैकेट में क्या हो जाएगा, x माइनस 1 हो जाएगा और एक x माइनस 1 अपने पास लास्ट में बच गया. तो दिस इज नोन एज एयर कैलकुलेशन दैट यू हैव टू परफॉर्म फॉर द फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ दीस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. तो आपने क्या किया, इसमें से बच्चा x कॉमन ले लिया. तो जैसे यार इसको बाद में करते हैं, अभी इसको ऐसे रख लेते हैं x क्यूब माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. थोड़ा सा सेट कर लेना, शफलिंग कर लेते हैं. तो ये ax हो गया और ये माइनस का इसके बगल में ले आया ताकि हम a कॉमन ले लेंगे तो ब्रैकेट में x माइनस 1 हो जाएगा. सेम वे दैट विल बी प्लस x एंड माइनस 1 इज गोइंग टू बी हियर. नाउ you can take x square in these two as common. तो as soon as you will take x square common, एक काम और करना है पहले, डायरेक्टली मेरा पूरा वीडियो मत देखते जाना. कोशिश करना कि पहले जैसे ये 2 क्वेश्चन लगा लिए तो इससे रिलेटेड 2 कम से कम क्वेश्चन आप लगा लो. उसके बाद आप मेरा अगला वीडियो देखो, आगे फर्दर पार्ट उसका. फिर आपने इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन देखा, उसको आपने सॉल्व किया. तो टाइप वाइज, कैटेगरी वाइज आप लगाओगे जब. इफ यू विल गेट परफेक्शन ऑन दिस, then you will be able to understand this concept. And directly if you will see the video, तो बार बार आपको पॉज करके रिपीट करना पड़ेगा, उसमें उतना परफेक्शन नहीं आएगा. Please try to follow the instruction which is being spoken by me. It is going to beneficial for you and as well as it will motivate me also. x square common, x square इसको डिवाइड किया, x आया, x square इसको डिवाइड करेगा, माइनस का 1 आ जाएगा. फिर प्लस का ये इसमें कॉमन ले लेंगे, a इसको डिवाइड करेगा तो इसमें x बचेगा, यहां 1 बच जाएगा, x माइनस 1. यहां कुछ नहीं लेना, जब कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं मिलता है तो हम प्लस का 1 कॉमन ले लेते हैं, तो ब्रैकेट में आ जाता है x माइनस 1. अब आप देख सकते हो कि x माइनस 1 इज कॉमन इन दीज 3 कैटेगरीज. तो यू हैव टेकन x माइनस 1 कॉमन. एज सून एज यू हैव टेकन x माइनस 1 कॉमन, ये x माइनस 1 इसको डिवाइड करेगा तो यहां पर आ जाएगा x स्क्वायर. ये x माइनस 1 इसको डिवाइड करेगा तो ये आ जाएगा प्लस का a. ये x माइनस 1 जब इसको डिवाइड करेगा तो केवल प्लस का 1 बचेगा. सो फाइनली यू गॉट योर आंसर, दैट इज x माइनस 1 और दूसरे ब्रैकेट में x स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस 1 एंड फाइनली यू गॉट योर आंसर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट हाउ टू डू दिस वन. अब अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन पे फोकस करूं तो जरा ध्यान से देखना कि इन दोनों में तो कुछ कॉमन ही नहीं मिल रहा है. तो बड़ी ट्रैप वाली बात हो गई. जैसे मैंने ऊपर मिल रहा था कॉमन, तो मैंने कहा इसको रोकती. इन दोनों में अगर देखो कुछ कॉमन मिल रहा है तो इन दोनों में कॉमन मिल रहा है आपको b. और अगर आप b कॉमन ले लोगे तो ब्रैकेट में आपका आ जाएगा c माइनस 2a. क्या आ जाएगा? c माइनस 2a. जबकि अगर आप बचे हुए इसमें और इसमें कॉमन लोगे तो केवल a कॉमन मिलेगा, तो ब्रैकेट में आ जाएगा 2a माइनस c. अब देखो इसमें आ रहा है 2a माइनस c और इसमें क्या आ रहा था? c माइनस 2a. तो ये होना कैसा चाहिए? उल्टा सीधा. तो इस कॉन्सेप्ट से हम इसको कर लेंगे जैसा आई हैव डन हियर. या थोड़ी सी चालाकी करो और इसको रिवर्स कर लेना. पहले तो इसको क्लोजर, यू विल मेक क्लोजर टू दिस वन, सो दैट विल बी 2a स्क्वायर माइनस ac. After that you will write down this 2ab and then plus such type of step. What you have done, you have make minus ac closer to this 2a square and you have interchanged the terms second to third and third to, it means sorry, second to this second one has made to fourth one and this third one has made remain as third one. अब आप देखो तो what is common in these two? 2a can be taken as common. अब आपने देखा जैसा मैंने बोला कि जब तक प्रीवियस कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू द नेक्स्ट वन. तो आपको प्रीवियस कॉन्सेप्ट को बिल्कुल स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हुए ही आगे बढ़ना है. ओनली देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू. सो एज सून एज यू विल टेक 2a as common, even 2 cannot be taken as common because 2 is here but 2 is not here. So only a will be taken as common. After taking a common, this a is going to divide these two terms. So when this 2a square will divide this, will be divided by this a. So a square divided by a, so a will be cancelled out by a. So you are going to get this 2a only. When this a is going to divide this, a will be cancelled out by a. So minus c is coming here. After that, what is common in these two? The first sign will be taken. So minus is here. Then b is available here as well as here also. So b will be taken as common. After taking b as common, ये भी इसको भी डिवाइड करेगा और ये भी इसको भी डिवाइड करेगा. When this will be, this b will divide this minus 2ab. b will be cancelled out by this. Minus will be turns to make it minus will change it to positive 1. So this is what 2a हो जाएगा ना. लैंग्वेज में मत जाना जो बीच में फंस रही है. क्वेश्चन समझना, कॉन्सेप्ट समझो, ये ज्यादा जरूरी है. So when this minus b will divide this bc, so minus plus minus is here, b will cancel out by b and c will remain here. Now you can observe that this has become such type of sum. Now what is common in these two? 2a minus c, 2a minus c. So 2a minus c will be taken totally as common in these two terms. And what is inside of the video? That is a minus b. So if you will see in this question that 2a minus c has been taken as common. So in another term that is a minus b. So that has been done. I hope that you have understood. So finally the answer is this. So answer is equal to 2a minus c and a minus b. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी करते हैं कि a minus will be written as first, then 2a minus c will be here. But in this type of question here is a compulsion to open the bracket with the concept of a plus b of होल स्क्वायर. पहले इस कॉन्सेप्ट को ही लिख देता हूं, बाकी काम बाद में करूंगा. तो ध्यान रखना, इफ हियर इज a plus b of whole square, so that will be a of square, it means first one of square plus 2ab then plus b of square. If you don't know तो आप इसको बस ऐसे समझना कि first one plus second one of whole square will be equal to first one of square plus 2 into first one into second one and plus second one का square. I hope you have understood. Very good. Same will be done here. It is a plus b of whole square, so that will be this one square plus 2 into this one or plus this one of square. See how? So this is ax of square plus 2 into ax into by then plus by of square. Then it will be open as, if here is minus sign, so it will be as minus also, only 2ab will be turns to negative. then you will do this one. So this is bx of square minus 2 into bx into ay and then plus ay of square. If you will open it, that is a square x square plus, write down in an alphabetical order, so that will be 2a bxy plus b square y square plus it will turn to b square x square minus again 2abxy and then plus a square y square. Now what will be here? This plus 2abxy and this minus 2abxy will be cancelled out. This is the important question in most of the good school of the city is habitual to give this question in examination of factorization. So now you can see here nothing is common in a square x square and b square y square. So this will be closer to this one. So it is what a square x square plus b square x square, same way, plus b square y square plus a square y square. So x square can be taken as common here. So inside the bracket that will be a square plus b square, then y square is common here. So inside the bracket again it is b square plus a square, or you can write it down a square plus b square. Now I can rub it also. So finally a square plus b square is common in this term as well as this term also. So in another bracket that is x square plus y square, and finally it is your answer. So student, I had explained the basic concept of the factorization. It will be useful for all other factorization concepts. So you must cram each and every concepts by practicing more and more questions. As many as question you will practice, it is going to make you perfect. So don't try to practice. It is very important to you. Please write down on the text box that how my video has been made for you. So the whole concept has been explained. Now here is a request from your teacher. Students, if you think that I put the effort for this video and for make you perfect, I had planned for this properly. It is beneficial for your friends also. So please like this video, subscribe this video, as well as share this video and say to your friends to share this video, because only your share and subscription is going to motivate me to make more and more video that will be beneficial for you, and this is my real earning. Thank you.